This is how to record a narrated video using screencast-o-matic. First, navigate to screencast-o-matic.com and select Launch Free Recorder. Once the recorder is launched, a widget and a black and white border will appear on your screen. The border shows what will be recorded, and you may have to navigate to size and change the option to active window or full screen. Once everything is set up on your screen, you can hit the record video and begin to make your video. As long as you have a webcam or external microphone, you will be able to create a narrated video of your screen. You can also enable screencast-o-matic to record video using your webcam. You can pause the recording and re-record over parts of the recording if you make a mistake. If you want to redo the recording, you can delete everything and start over. If you want to replay what you have recorded thus far, you can preview what you've recorded. Testing preview. Testing preview. Once you have completed your video, hit Done. Screencast-o-matic will then show you your recording and ask you what you want to do with it. Save as a video file on your computer and then upload to YouTube. While it does have a direct upload to YouTube option, sometimes this crashes and you could lose your whole video.